Hey Mulang 4, June is looking like a month where your heart and your reality are having an honest conversation. The month starts with Knight of Cups energy. Someone may come towards you with some offer, an apology, some sort of confession, or maybe simply just a lot of emotions. For some of you, this could be a romantic connection, whereas for others, it could be an opportunity that feels exciting and aligned with your dreams. You are being asked to listen to your heart this month instead of just following the logic all the time. But then we have 10 of swords, and honestly, this card says that something has reached its final chapter. A situation you have been holding on to, overthinking, or trying to fix may finally come to an end. It could feel disappointing at first because endings rarely feel comfortable. But here's the thing, this ending was already overdue. The universe is basically trying to say we are not dragging this story anymore into the next season. For some of you, this could be the realization that someone isn't who you thought they were. For others, it could be letting go of an old version of yourself that no longer fit in your life. The good news is that this is not where the story ends. The Three of Pentacles shows up as your outcome card, and I absolutely love this energy. After the emotional roller coaster and the necessary endings, you are finally stepping into collaboration, growth, and building something meaningful. This could be a new work project, a business idea, studies, skill development, or even finding people who genuinely support you. This card says that success won't come from doing everything alone. The right people, mentors, colleagues, or friends can help you create something bigger than what you have imagined. Now, let's talk about the hidden energy. The Three of Swords. This tells me that beneath everything happening this month, there is some healing taking place. There may be still pain from a past heartbreak, some betrayal, disappointment, or some unmet expectation. Even if you have told yourself you are over it, a part of your heart is still trying to process it. But the beautiful thing about this reading is that the Three of Swords isn't your final card. The Three of Pentacles is. That means you are moving from pain to progress, from a heartbreak to healing, from endings to building a stronger future. June may not be the easiest month emotionally, but it has the potential to be one of the most transformative months. Some doors may close, some truths may hurt, but what you are building afterward is far more stable than what you are leaving behind. Your message for this month is very simple. Don't chase what's ending. Put your energy into what you are creating next.